Hey there YouTubers. So I'm just going to do a little bit of a monkey puzzle update. So these guys are now 5.5 years old, so they're getting there actually. It's time to repot though. So what we're going to do, so I've got some perlite, I've got some slightly acidic compost, special brand. I've got one of the little guys out already because unfortunately his little home rotted away. And I've got some new pots that I'm going to use. So if you see, these are, let's put one up here. These are a little bit taller than the other ones, so they're a little bit more height. And you know, they're looking okay actually. So you can see the roots on this guy, so they're going to fit just kind of perfectly in here. Give them a bit of space to grow. I've also put extra holes in my pot for drainage. I thought you'd be interested in this little guy. So it's actually bifurcated, so it's got like 2 main strands. So that's going to be an interesting one. And we're down to 5, unfortunately. Only 5 of the little guys now after one died. And this one is quite incredible because it's definitely bigger than the others. Look, it's definitely taller. Look how much taller it is. And look at this stem. It's quite incredible, but that's only 5.5 years of growth. God, these dudes are spiky. So 5.5 years old, really not very big. But then in some ways I am growing them in pots. And you might question, why am I growing them in pots? Well, when I move eventually, I'm going to take them with, and then we're going to have a circle of monkey puzzle trees where we've got a bit more room. So literally you don't need to see me repot them, but I just thought I'd show you that's kind of 5.5 years of growth, and they're looking okay. You know, like I said, compost, bit of perlite, a new planter, and off we go. So that is a little monkey puzzle update in my monkey puzzle series.